Hey guys, good morning. It is 7:16 a.m. and y'all know what time it is. We are headed to the state fair, but ain't nobody driving, y'all. We catching the train, okay? So come along with me as I conquer the North Carolina State Fair. Y'all ready? Let's go.
Oh, what a gift you've given. Grateful for life I'm living. Feels like a new thing.
So y'all, I need 6 canned goods to get in the fair. I thought that I had them at the house, but I do not. So here I am. I'm in Food Line, child, getting some canned goods. Now, mind you, I have to be at the train station at 7:30. Okay, here we go. Child, why did I not do this yesterday? Why? Why did I not do this yesterday? Let's see. I guess I'll do green beans, corn, and I'm just gonna do 3 on 3. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm going to the one that's gonna check me out. Good morning. Hi. Oh, sorry. My hands all full. Ooh, child. That was a little out of the plan, but it's all good. When you do stuff at the last minute, baby, that's just what happened. So, that is just what happened. What time is it? Girl, I'm supposed to be at the station now, but it'll only take me about 10 minutes to get there, so I'm good. Just living life on the edge out here, child. Just living life on the edge. That's all. Child, I need some chapstick. Some lip chap. My lips just as chapped as I don't know what. Oh my gosh, I hate doing stuff at the last minute. And what am I doing? Stuff at the last minute. I need some chapstick. And ain't got none. Alright, y'all. We headed out. It feels so good out here. I got me a little shirt jacket just in case it wanna be like really chilly. Now you just have something on your arms. So I got something for my arms. Oh, I need some chapstick. I ain't got no chapstick. Alright, y'all, so this is my outfit for today. We are headed to the fair. Okay. So I got on this cute graphic t-shirt that says unique because I am. I got on these cute cargo pants and my Adidas Old Faithful and this jean cover up because it was a little chilly, y'all, but it's hot out here. But yeah, we about to hit it. Yeah, we had to get us a parking pass so our car still be here when we get back. All right, she ready? Is you ready?
I'm ready.
I am. It's what? Time to eat. What you got? What you got on your shirt?
Women are the future.
We ain't your food shirt.
Nope.
We ain't got no food shirt this
But we making a
this
statement.
time.
Women are the future. Go vote.
Women are the future. Go and
Go vote.
Okay. Make sure y'all vote. Have you voted already?
No, I like to vote on the day after.
Share. Prayer, more prayer, okay?
window or you want the eye?
The window. Okay. Oh, child, plenty leg space.
Yes, honey.
Look at that. I can stretch my legs. Look at that. Glory to the Lamb. They forgot to clean our window.
Seriously.
So it might look a little ashy, y'all. But we gonna get some content.
Make your way to a doorway street door on that crew members not all doors will open in Durham. Ladies and gentlemen, we are a completely sold out train today. 15 ball seats must be available throughout the duration of the trip.
Okay guys, so here are my canned goods. We have to pass them over in order to get to the fair. There you go. There is the ticket, baby.
Once it turns green, it's my ticket.
All right. Give me a nice piece. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, can I get the crab claws, the basket, and a shrimp basket? Yeah. And a Pepsi. Are your drinks cold? And a Pepsi. Got my crab claws and my shrimp.
How you enjoy them, and they only gave you about 10.
Bye. Enjoy. Okay, let's see what you got going on over here. I ain't used my fork yet. I haven't used my fork. It's not as good as mine, but it's good.
About 15 of my students down here.
Oh, wow.
Go nowhere without seeing Aggie. Y'all, guess who getting Aggie stuff? Chad.
Oh, yeah, UNC Pembroke too.
UNCG Grit.
I'm gonna do 2 Aggies, and I'm gonna do 2 of the interlock.
Interlock, okay.
Yes.
So you ain't gonna get the little dog.
No, know, the Aggie dog with the arms? No.
Yeah.
I'm gonna do these.
Wait, one is darker than the other one. Does that matter? Okay, you got your coasters. Cute.
Like a team, North Carolina. 1, 2, 3. Now there's some energy.
Cheers. Okay, y'all. So we are at this place. We're at Lawrence and Perry, the barbecue spot. Y'all, the line is so long. I'm about to go down here and show y'all how long the line is. But we gonna get them fried rib sugar. Let me show you what they got, y'all. Oh my God, do we want it that bad? I'm gonna go down here and show y'all what they sell, and then I'm gonna come back and show y'all how long the line is. It is so long, but they smell so good. How long did y'all stay in line? How long did y'all stay in line? How long? About 30 minutes. Oh, that ain't bad. It's way down there. Dang, I'm thinking I'm waiting in line. So you got crinkle fries, homemade mac and cheese, all that good. So that's the slot bucket. Y'all, I'm about to take y'all to the line. These are the people that's waiting to get their order taken. Period. Y'all see me still walking? Right there. Y'all see me still walking? The guy that I just seen, he said he only waited in line for 30 minutes. Oh, okay. I only seen 2 people in that trailer though. They might need a little more help. Right. That was the line. What time is it? The time is 2:46. We are currently in line. We're gonna see how long it takes for us to get up there, y'all. Okay, y'all, so here go the infamous fried ribs. It smells so good, y'all. Oh my God. I need some cold pop. Now that was a 10 out of 10. Okay, that was a 10 out of 10 for real. 1,000 out of 1,000. Y'all look at my bones, baby. That was so good. Sherelle, let me see your bone. Okay, y'all, so we at the donut place. This is one of our last stops. Sherelle, we thought we was doing something. Do we have enough time? Do you think we have enough time? Hopefully we can get this donut, but she said she was in the line for like 30 minutes. Sherelle, Sherelle, is this real life? Yeah, it look like it. Wow. Y'all, this is the donut line. Y'all see me? This is the donut line. Is this real life? It's real life. What time is it, Sherelle? Oh no, I'm filming. We literally gonna get. No, I thank God for a speeding. Is this the end of the line? Oh, we made the end of the road. So everybody want donuts,
It's 5
huh?
o'clock.
I need to get 2 of the box donuts. Yeah. Do y'all have a bag like Krispy Kreme?
I don't. I'm sorry.
Okay, it's okay. $28 for some donuts. I'm getting donuts for the whole family.
For the congregation.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, y'all, so this is it. We are leaving the fair. I got the donut ministry, our free teas. I think from now on we're gonna be riding the train.
Yep.
Cause today just flowed so nice and easily. But y'all, today was a good day. So I think I'm just gonna end the vlog right here. And I am gonna see you guys the next time. Bye.